Attach the Lytx camera to the mount prior to putting it in the vehicle. It's just a lot easier, and you don't have to take the chance of dropping your screws down a vent or anything like that. The camera mount is pre-attached and angles toward the windshield. So this is the front where your windshield is going to be. The camera has the little gears already attached to it, and the mate is already on the mount, so it just snaps right in. You can pre-position it, and then the hardware, which comes in a hardware bag, is just a flat washer, a split lock washer, and a hex nut. We'll just hold it in place. Leave it loose for now so you can adjust the angle once you're in the vehicle. So when it's done, this should be where your windshield is and your camera facing the windshield. Make sure your camera is positioned the right way toward the front. On this one, there's a rubber washer that needs to go between the camera and the bracket. So you need to get that in there. It's a little more difficult than some of the other ones. And then attach the hardware. Sometimes it's easier to attach the washer on the screw and then put the camera in there. And then that'll mount up into your vehicle. Leave it a little loose for now, and then you can tighten them after the mount's installed. Today we're going to install the Kenworth camera mount in a T680 Kenworth semi-truck. This one happens to have the Lytx camera mounted to it. The camera mount is going to sandwich between the center sun visor and the headliner. So we need to take out these two screws. After the mount is positioned, we're going to push on the tension bracket, pulling slightly out on the mount, so it puts tension on the windshield. And then tighten the screw. After installation, the mount can be adjusted by adjusting the screws on the side. That'll adjust your angle up and down of the camera mount. And then also the 1032 nuts up on top. You can adjust those if you want to adjust the angle side to side of the camera mount.